Welcome to Pinnacle Skill and Management. I am Syed Muhammad Ali. Guys, are you drafting your CV and not landing at your dream job? Or sometimes maybe you are drafting your cover letter but still wonder. So today we would like to compare what is the significance of the CV summary and the cover letter and which is more important. The question rises, what is important and what is the mistakes you are doing in writing the cover letter or CV summary. The other question rises whether the CV summary is more important or the cover letter is more important. Where is the mistake and what is their role, or whether we should attach the cover letter with the job application or we should not. So there are many questions rises in the candidate minds when he is not getting an appropriate response from the interviewer. So guys, let's see step by step what is the role of the CV summary and what is the role of the cover letter. So you see, your CV summary is your precise introduction to the interviewer or the recruiter regarding your job skills, your experience and why you are interested in that job. So CV summary is basically a very precise statement, maybe of 3 to 4 lines in your CV at the top, so that at the screening time, when the recruiters don't have time, recruiters spend maximum 10 to 15 seconds over a CV to select for the interview call. So this screening time is very important. Here, the CV summary plays the significant role in selection of your job application for the next step. So your CV summary must be precise and well professionally oriented, and it should reflect all of your potential. So you should have the capability to summarize your entire experience in 3 to 4 lines. So this is a technical sort of communication. You must have the command over it while you are writing the CV summary. So if you have not written your CV summary good, or it is not clear, or the CV summary is not matching the recruiter's requirement, or it is not rather written as per the recruiter's requirements, then there is a high probability that your application will not select for the next step. So writing CV summary is very important. Number second, now after selection of your application, the recruiters go to another step, and that step is your cover letter, because cover letter is a document of your professional skills, experience and accomplishment in detail, where you have the opportunity to elaborate your skills and experience, that how your skills and experience can help the recruiters to get a high productivity for his company, for his job he advertised. So now the CV summary was the shortcut where you could not convince the recruiters, but in your covering letter you have an opportunity to compel him that you have the ability, you have the capability, and you have the experience, and you have the success rate, you have the lot of accomplishment, and all these criteria is well meshed with the job you advertised. So that will compel the recruiters and the interview manager to select your CV for an interview call. So guys, at the end, if you see that there is no antagonism effect of the CV summary and the cover letter, rather they have their separate impact, but when you combine both of them, they have the augmented effect. So this augment effect will definitely ensure your interview call, provided they have been written professionally and they have been written as per the requirement of the interviewer. So write your CV and write your CV summary and cover letter, very positively and very professionally so that you get the interview call. So my best wishes are there. Good luck. Have you an interview call and a good dream job. So see you in the next video with a new topic. Till that time, guys, bye. If you feel that this video is helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the videos on time.